Hello and welcome. We're gonna solve Battle Me, a challenge today that has to do with local file inclusion and hash. We're gonna take a look at the source code in a second, but this is the functionality of the website. It lets you upload a file and then you can view this file. But to prevent local file inclusion, they hash the file name and you have to enter the correct hash so you can see your file. But the problem is there is a secret key or a secret word used. We're gonna take a look at the source code right now. There are two main files, and the Docker file says that the flag is at /temp/flag.txt. So this is where we need to read, or what we need to read. Well, if you can see right here, you can see the secret is fake, but this is because it's the local version of the source code. The secret is not actually the word fake. And it checks if the file parameter and the hash parameters are set. They try to hash using the algorithm and hash the secret plus our file, and checks if it equals our provided hash. If it does, then it's easy. We read the file. So we need to forge this. There are actually two ways to forge this, and we're gonna go into the first one, which is unintended, in this video, and the next video we're gonna go into the intended solution, which includes a type of attack. Okay, now you can see here that there's a directory traversal in this, so we can go like /temp/flag.txt as our file name, but we need to forge the hash. How are we gonna do this exactly? Well, this code is not like not vulnerable or something. It is vulnerable. We need to try to trigger some errors. So let's maybe, what happens if we give our file as an array? This error is not particularly useful, but it happens because we try to concatenate a string and an array together. So let's remove it. What happens if we maybe give it a false algorithm, or one that doesn't exist? Let's try MD5A مثلا, for example. You can see here that it says this error and hash this. I think it leaks the secret keyword in here. Okay, now we have the secret keyword. Let's remove this file, because this is the start of our file name, which is chal1.txt. So let's now go to MD5 and try to encrypt our file name. Well, we know that it encrypts the secret plus the file name, right? So we need to open what file? We need to open ./temp.flag.txt. So let's just do this. Let's generate our hash. Let's take the hash and try to read the file. Let's set the file name. Great. Now let's get the hash and let's test it. Nice. We got the flag. This was an awesome challenge, and this was Battle Me. Now we're gonna solve Battle Me Revenge in the next